Hi there, I'm Becca from Motor Match Chester and I'm going to be taking you around one of our approved used vehicles. This is the Audi A1 S-Line Style Edition. It's a 2014 model coming with the 1.4 litre petrol engine and S Tronic automatic transmission. The car comes from only one previous owner and boasts a very low mileage of 14,000 miles. It does also come with 7 Audi services in the history, with the last completed at 13,000. The car is finished in the stunning Mythos Black metallic paintwork and also boasts the black styling package. Some of the key exterior features on this vehicle include these 70-inch V-spoke alloys. You've got the 125-pound automatic headlights providing great visibility, and also the 125-pound folding door mirrors. Into the boot of the vehicle here, you can see you've got a good amount of space in the back for a car of this size, along with the ability to fold rear seats down. Moving into the rear of the vehicle, this is the 3-door model, so you've got the 2 seats in the back there with ISOFIX points on both of them. Moving around your drive's interior, you'll notice your S-Line branded steering wheel. You've got gloss black around your vents, and then you've got the S-Line branded sports seat in the front, offering great comfort. As you can see, your steering wheel is multi-function, so you can adjust the volume of your music easily on the go. You've also got the paddle shift gears behind the wheel there, so you can manually shift gears if you'd prefer to. Taking a look at your dials, you can see you can flick through your digital information screen there and view different information. And if we move across to the media screen here, you've got plenty of features to choose from. You can access all of your vehicle settings and service requirements in the car tab. Moving around to the telephone tab, you've got the Bluetooth connectivity for taking and making calls on the go. You can also use this Bluetooth feature for streaming your own music through the vehicle, or you can connect devices via aux. You do also have access to FM and AM radio wave bands, so you've got plenty of choice there. Moving down, you've got the controls for the media screen I've just been using, and then the car does boast the electronic climate control, along with the heated front seats, which was another option costing £215 at new. You've got plenty of storage there, and then you have your S Tronic automatic gear selector and your handbrake along the rest of your centre console. RAC extended warranties are available. For more information or to book a test drive, give us a call on 01244 311 404 or inquire online now. Thank you very much for watching and I hope to see you soon here at Mythos Black Chester.